Certified nursing assistants are the absolute backbone of healthcare. But let's be honest, the entry level pay can be a trap. In 2026, if you're just showing up and doing the baseline, you're losing. But if you know how to play the game, your worth is skyrocketing. The 2026 landscape is defined by two things: where you live and what you know. It's no longer about just working hard. It's about being a specialist in a market that is desperate for your skills. Let's break down the numbers they aren't telling you in the orientation. Let's look at the gap between California and Alabama. In California, the average CNA makes nearly $49,000, with top earners in San Francisco and LA pulling in over $53,000. It's a high cost state, but the leverage is real. Meanwhile, in Alabama, the average annual pay sits around $32,000. That's roughly $15 an hour. While the cost of living is lower, you're still fighting a baseline that barely covers the three buckets of survival. If you want the highest base pay in 2026, you look at Oregon and Washington. We're seeing averages close to $50,000 there. Why? Because these states have strict staffing ratios. They need you, and they're finally paying for it. In Seattle or San Francisco, hospital-based CNAs are negotiating hourly rates of $28 or more. That is the escape hatch. But no matter what state you're in, the secret to breaking out of that entry-level bracket is specialization. Generalists are replaceable, specialists are assets. In 2026, CNAs with experience in memory care, hospice, or pediatrics are in much higher demand. This isn't just a different floor, it's a different pay bracket. Memory care requires a specific temperament and a high level of patience. Facilities are paying a premium for CNAs who can handle the complexity of dementia and Alzheimer's. You're providing peace of mind, and that has a price. Pediatrics is the same. It requires a specialized touch. If you can stack a pediatric cert on top of your license, you're no longer competing with the 50 other people who just finished their 6-week CNA course. You're in a league of your own. This is where we go on the offense. We call it skill stacking. You take your CNA license, which is your baseline, and you stack it with high demand certifications. In 2026, the winners are the 2-for-1 employees. Getting a phlebotomy certification can add a 5% to 10% premium to your hourly rate immediately. Hospitals love it because you can draw labs while you're already in the room for vitals. You're saving them a second person, so you get a cut. Wound care is another gold mine. With the aging population, the need for chronic wound management is through the roof. A wound care cert can add another $3 to $5 to your hourly. That is the difference between surviving and thriving. And here is the big one: EKG technician. CNAs with EKG certs are seeing a median salary of nearly $57,000 in 2026. That is professional leverage. You aren't just an assistant, you're a patient care technician, a PCT. That is the boardroom title for breakroom work. Over 60% of healthcare institutions offer an immediate salary bump once you hit this cert. You're moving from physical labor to technical monitoring. You're buying back your health while increasing your paycheck. That is the goal. Why do you have so much leverage right now? It's the silver tsunami. In 2026, the first wave of baby boomers is hitting their 80s. The system is breaking under the weight. There is a national shortage of over 70,000 nursing assistants. Only 13 states in the entire country are projected to meet their internal demand for CNAs. That means you are the prize. Use that leverage. Don't just accept the first offer. Negotiate the rural premium or the isolation pay. Don't forget the shift differentials. Working nights or weekends in 2026 adds 10% to 15% to your base. If you're single or don't mind the night shift, that is pure profit for the Fortress of Solitude savings account. Working the off shifts is how you stack cash without stacking more hours. You're getting paid more for the same amount of effort. That is the certainty principle of labor, maximizing the return on every minute. Here is another pro tip: tuition assistance. Large networks like Kaiser or the VA see the CNA role as a recruiting pipeline. They will pay for your education to become an LPN or an RN. Use them to fund your next stack. Let the corporation pay for the degree that buys your freedom. Your CNA license isn't the destination. It's the stepping stone to higher paying allied health roles. It's the foundation of your shift-proof career. This is the 10K mission for healthcare workers. Use the overtime tax breaks from the OBBB Act. Stack the phlebotomy or EKG cert. Automate that extra pay into your fortress. Secure that first $10,000. When you have that financial cushion, you can say no to the toxic facility. You can wait for the hospital job that offers the best benefits. You own your time. And in 2026, that is the only currency that matters. Every week, do your paycheck reset. Check your hours, confirm your shift differentials, and feed the fortress. It's boring work, but it's the only way to beat the healthcare renter's trap. No shortcuts, just strategy. Don't just work for the paycheck, work for the leverage. Every certification is a brick, every automated transfer is a shield. You are building a baseline that no economy can touch. This is how you win. The 2026 economy is changing, but healthcare will always need the people who do the real work. I'm here to make sure you get paid what you're worth. I've got the scripts and the stacks to get you there. If you're ready to break the $20 ceiling, comment CARE below. I'll send you my 2026 Healthcare Pay Toolkit and the Skill Stack Guide for CNAs for free. Let's get to work together. I'm here to help you navigate the hospital floor, not the boardroom. Subscribe on YouTube for more deep dives on how to maximize your frontline income. We're building this mission together. Every shift counts. Remember, a bank balance is not a spending limit. The true limit is the remaining balance after all your expenses are assigned a job. Assign them now. Own your healthcare career. I'll see you in the next shift. Stay sharp, stay shift proof. ScissorMoney is out. Wait, one more thing. If you're in a low paying state like Alabama, don't feel stuck. Use the VA Community Living Center pay rates as your baseline. They often pay 10K more than private homes. That is your floor. Starting salaries at the VA can reach over $63,000 depending on your step level. Even in Alabama, federal pay can outperform the local market. Check the community living center openings in your zip code first. That's the real gap hack. And when you transition to a patient care technician role, make sure you update your resume using that AI translator we talked about. Don't say took vitals. Say executed technical patient monitoring and phlebotomy protocols. That boardroom language is what gets you the $30 an hour hospital job. You are translating your break room hustle into boardroom value. It works every single time. Don't leave money on the table because of a bad resume. The shortage isn't your problem. It's your opportunity. They need you more than you need them. Remember that when you walk in for your next interview. You are the specialist. You are the asset. Let's act like it. Subscribe for the full 10-minute deep dives on healthcare pay. I'm here to help you win on the floor. Join the 10K mission. We're building it together. Every shift counts. See you in the next one. And never forget, your license is a key. Use it to open the door to your freedom, not to lock yourself in a basement shift. You have the power. ScissorMoney is officially out. Stay sharp, stay shift proof. I'll see you on the next floor. Let's go. One last thing. If your facility offers an HSA, take the match. It's free money for your health. Use it for direct primary care and save your back. Your health is your wealth. Don't trade it for a paycheck. The save your back strategy is real. Use your HSA to stay healthy so you can keep stacking those certs. You're building a fortress, not just a career. That's the ScissorMoney way. Get to work. I'm out. See you in the next shift. Stay sharp, stay shift proof. ScissorMoney out.